Greg, glad you could join us.
Lori, it's good to be here.
The Supreme Court says born in the USA means a citizen of the USA, and that's been the broad understanding of the 14th Amendment for a long time. The concept is called birthright citizenship. So, Greg, explain how this came to be challenged.
Well, there have been a lot of politically charged opinions coming out by this Supreme Court, and this was the biggest of them all. President Trump issued an executive order where he basically tried with a stroke of a pen to eliminate the 14th Amendment, birthright citizenship. That means regardless if your parents are citizens, if you're born in this country, you are bestowed with a gift of citizenship.
But the Supreme Court said, hey, hold on a minute.
Yeah, in a 6-3 opinion, Justice Roberts wrote for the majority. He said basically, you know, he echoed kind of the Statue of Liberty, give me your tired, your poor, your huddled masses. He said that basically our founding fathers made a promise that you are bestowed citizenship if you're born. And he said, quote, we are keeping that promise today, but not so fast. Justice Clarence Thomas, in a 91-page dissent, 3 times as long as the majority, said he disagreed, and boy did he disagree.
And what did you think about his argument?
Well, he thought it was limited to slavery and Reconstruction, but you know, history teaches us that it's much more expansive and open. And if you look at the 14th Amendment, what does it say? Everyone born in this country is bestowed the right of citizenship with 2 exceptions. One, if you are the child of a diplomat, which kind of, to me, flies in the face of the slavery argument. Now, a lot of diplomats running around in the
right.
Reconstruction
and then the other
era.
one is something you don't want to think about.
Yeah, if
perhaps.
you are a foreign occupying country,
yes,
then that does not count as citizenship if a child is born. But, you know, it really is a feel-good opinion. Everybody was nervous. Why is the Supreme Court granting a writ of certiorari to hear whether the 4th Amendment is going to remain the 14th Amendment is going to remain the 14th Amendment? But the Supreme Court, in a feel-good opinion, said we are keeping our promise. Birthright citizenship has prevailed.
And very quickly, before we're out of time, we have a few seconds left. Is this issue settled forever?
That remains to be seen. Immediately, President Trump regrouped. Remember, he watched the oral argument.
He was right there.
Right there, stared the justices eye to eye. He has asked Congress to pass a law that would eliminate birthright citizenship. I don't think that's the way you do it because you can't eliminate an amendment to the Constitution by congressional vote. You would have to have an amendment and jump through all those constitutional hoops. But read the opinion and read the dissent. Make you proud to be an American, and it's a great week to do so.
You read it. Yes, it is. All right, Greg, thank you.
And if you have a legal question, send it to AskIsaacs@WATE.com. Remember, we talk with Greg every Wednesday at 5:30 right here on Channel 6. For a deeper conversation, you can watch it right now on our free WATE 6 Plus app.